day. How are you? My name is Mark. We have a Chevrolet Tahoe 2015. The main concern of the customer are the air coming from the AC is not cold, but the compressor is working, and the pipe in the pipe is cold. So we gonna change AC blend actuator because both side is hot. When you switch into the switch mode into the cold, there's hot. So the AC actuator is the issue. This is from the bottom. The AC actuator here is from the bottom. This is from the passenger side. And then they have the top actuator is from the driver's side. As you can see, I will my head is going inside on the tatapsi. Hi, this is the AC actuator for the passenger, for the driver's side. So we're gonna remove this cover there first. After we need to pull it out, and then they have cover also there. We need also pull it out first. Second step. After that, they have a screw there. See, as you can see, the next step you need to remove this one. As you can see this, they have a bolt there, 7 milli, and there 7 milli, and there 7 milli, and there 7 milli. And then after you remove the bolt, you need to pull it out. And after that, they have a screw there. The AC filter, cabin filter, I remove first. This one, AC cabin filter, I remove first there inside the compartment. And then after that, we need to pull it out there. They have also the bolt there, and there 7 milli, and there, see, oh, they have a bolt there, and there 2 bolt in the corner. This one, oh, and this one, oh.